Why Bridge, after the first day of spring, which is February 1st in the Gaelic calendar, we move into Aum na Cash, the Passover period. And then summer comes, and summer comes on a feast day that we refer to as Wa Buya Beltane, the yellow day of Beltane. And that's on May 1st. Doesn't feel a lot like summer here in Nova Scotia. It's May 1st. And then the calendar year is rounded off at a feast day that we call An Lunastal, which is August 1st. At Aum na Cash, there are a number of days that are recognized for cultural and spiritual and religious reasons. And this last piece, this last sharing, is really one that resonates with me. And in a sense, whether you have a belief that there's a divine creator, or a prime mover, or a great spirit, or God, Allah, God the Father, what Rumi is really getting at is that there's this deep, deep, deep essence, this great, profound place that's very, very difficult to communicate. But he attempts to in this piece. I'm still working on the schedule up here. Stusa Hound. There you are. How fawach. Ounskach kindness. Nu de wist toen je chin, of had ik een share. Stusa Hound. Agus nu de hick en chinjes. Goed joh. Stusa skriach gal oorlasach na klischke. Had er put je naam goed joh. En de grappige zin dat is de gaai. Stusa goed aanzien. Haar rekker donje. Stusa hem. Nu dat is opper, real dan nog hem. Stusa en daar je wist ook opbrug gekozen dan er bij hem. Stusa dan hem. Het haak. De koeie erin. Een bal. En jou in de hakaaien. Hij koetje in de kakkerst. Gewil viernes. Eetje naartoe. De handen bij. Stusa. En verder is de torst de stijl de viernes. Agus Stusa en Ianish heen. How Tibestay echo mode en anima. Tibestay gach tellige nadere. Gach aniach gunny. How ons gach juris. Agus filinus. Ha gul ik kutjigen et niegen. Ha kraan ik dunjelle et een naam rood. Stusa ham. Gebied je hier in toe, gebied je hier dunje, je nog wel. Koach vullen de koch, aan de herstes, stars en tullen. Shinne liefder gehakken, a waan schreeuw, get in jeentjen schroete. Karp, anam, phallus. Kiu kin oen, na koer nog. Stusa na vision het hier. Sherut njau gaich ke la hound de vahanus ieri. House te bestay mahanish. Agus pechki. Ianuk emme gjouch. Agach smarak. mar a bhí sin réamháach agus an uair sin a den aiche. Stúsa an gin agus na buagan sin. A níor hrúach an tocht a garithe sin ga chéile. Ans gach campachach ha púb a dawn par a big an cennart. Agus cuiteach. Iad in airsing bur púbis imperam et fact. Sin a daras de chaich stúsa chud ann sin har a gur dunne stúsa ann. There you are. You are inside every kindness. When a sick person feels better, you are that, and the onset of disease too. You are sudden, terrible screaming. Some problems require we go for help. When we knock on a stranger's door, you sent us. Nobody answers. It's you. When work feels necessary, you are the way workers move in rhythm. You are what is, the field, the players, the ball, those watching. Someone claims to have evidence that you do not exist. You are the one who brings in the evidence, and the evidence itself. You are inside the soul's great fear, every natural pleasure, every vicious cruelty. You are in every difference and irritation. Someone loves something, someone else hates the same. There you are. Whatever eyes see, what anyone wants or not, political power, injustice, material possessions, those are your script, the handwriting we study. Body, soul, shadow, whether reckless or careful, you are what we do. It is absurd to ask your pardon. You are inside repentance and sin. The wonder of various jewels, agate, emerald. How we are during a day, then at night, you are those moods and qualities. The pure compassion we feel for each other. Every encampment has a tent where the leader is, and also the wide truth of your imperial tent over all. Some problems require we go for help. When we knock on a stranger's door, you sent us. No one answers. It's you.